We need to talk about what's happening on LinkedIn right now. Because some of y'all are out here treating it like a dating app, but with no game, no vibe, and zero conversation. You hit connect and then boom. Hey, are you hiring? Here's my resume. I'd love 15 minutes of your time to show you our platform that boosts development team efficiency using artificial intelligence. Bro, chill. We just met. You didn't even ask me how my robot's doing. You're jumping into my DMs like we've already gone on 3 dates and signed a prenup. Let me be clear. LinkedIn is not a speed dating booth for job offers and software as a service product demos. You ever walked into a room and someone says, "Hi, nice to meet you. You want to get married, move in, and let me automate your sprint planning?" That's how some of y'all LinkedIn warriors are showing up. You're skipping the handshake. You're skipping the eye contact. You're skipping the first date. You're trying to close the deal and go straight to the first kiss before you even say hello. And let's talk about these job DMs. I get messages like these all the time. "Dear respected leader, I'm deeply inspired by your groundbreaking work and would love an opportunity to intern under your guidance. Could you be my mentor?" Bruh, you sent that same message to the VP of engineering, a drone startup, and your cousin's roommate who posted one robot meme last week. I can smell a copy and paste job from a mile away. It's fake, it's phony, and it's forced. It's not networking, it's resume roulette. And then there's the software as a service crowd. You know the types. I accept your connection request. And suddenly you're pitching me a tool that claims to revolutionize robot collaboration with AI-powered summaries. We just met. We haven't even had a first message yet. No conversation. You didn't ask me what I'm working on. You didn't reference a single thing I've posted on LinkedIn. You're not networking. You're cold calling in a tux. And let me be honest, when you lead like that, I don't trust you. Because the people who show up with instant pitches and automated flattery, they don't care about me, they care about access. You skipped the foreplay. You skipped the build-up. You skipped the whole human part, the first date. You wouldn't walk up to someone at a robotics conference and say, "Hi, I saw your name tag. Here's my resume and a PowerPoint. When do I begin?" So why are you doing that on LinkedIn? Where's the curiosity? Where's the interest? Where's the connection? Where's the first kiss? Not the DM and ghost me like a one-night stand move. Don't do that to me. You dropped a pitch and didn't get a response, and now you're gone forever. No follow-up, no effort, no chemistry. Hell, you didn't even call the morning after. You want to build real relationships in this space. You need to date your network. That means this: stop treating everyone with the title like they owe you something. Stop copying and pasting your way into people's inboxes. Start actually engaging with what people care about. Say something real. Say something like this. Okay, here's an example. "Hey, I saw your post on robotic ripper design. We're building something very similar, and I'm curious how you approach that spring tension issue." That is how you start a conversation. That's the first coffee. That's the vibe check. That's the, "Oh, okay, this guy gets it." Not a "Hello, here's my resume, my Calendly, and 3 emojis." Because that's not a pitch. That's a marriage proposal. So roboticists, listen up. Date before you pitch on LinkedIn. If you want a job, a sale, a collaboration, a reply, it starts with the relationship, the trust, the value, the real connection. Treat LinkedIn like real life, because the people who take their time, the ones who show up with curiosity, not desperation. They win the long game. But the ones who cold propose in the DMs, they get left on red.
Automatic Addison.